everyone. I just wanted to tell you my favorite part of this Primal Greens product. I'm going to show you how easy it is to mix up and how it's not clumpy, because I just love that. I've tried different ones that are always clumpy or they don't mix well and they don't taste great, and this one is not that way at all. So what I do, I just get a glass that is going to be able to hold at least 8 ounces of liquid. And like I said, you can do either hot or cold. I usually prefer mine cold. So you take the little scoop here, that's the size of the scoop, and then I just put it right in there. You can use one of the frother things, the little stirrers that are electric. I don't have one of those, my kids broke it. So I just use a spoon, which amazingly still fills or stirs it up perfectly. So you add your 8 ounces of whatever liquid you're putting it into, and then I just stir it with a spoon. And I usually stir it for, I don't know, just a few seconds to make sure that it is completely all mixed up. It really doesn't take long, but I just do it to be safe. And then, so already, I just think that it stirs up so well. So, already stirred. You can see there's no clumpy bits or anything. It tastes really good. I actually had my daughter try it for the first time this morning because she sees me drink it all the time, and she's like, "Mom, like, what are you drinking?" And she said that it tastes like green tea. So I have like green tea mints, and she's like, "It tastes just like those mints that you have." So I think it tastes great. She's right on the money. It does kind of have a green tea taste, and then also I can almost taste like a little bit of cinnamon too. So I think it's great. I think that you should definitely give it a try if you're looking for something like this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.